Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with Shraddha Arya. Today we will learn this beautiful fishtail. First we need to divide the hair into equal proportion, then adding a strand of the hair to the other side and continue the process. Watch full tutorial to learn fishtail style. Here is the fishtail style done. You can add some accessories if you want so. And thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if our channel supports you to learn something different. Bye bye, take care.